fuel valve, plastic tank. I have no idea how to get it out. Well, I do know how to get it out. I got another one. Someone pried it out before me. Rubber grommet goes in first. Grease it up. It's a Rotary brand one too. That's cheaper than Briggs. It's probably the same thing. Just rebranded. That's fine. Oh, where's my straw? I lost my straw on the other part. That went in too easy. A little more. Hopefully it didn't mess up this hole in here. And then finally, that goes in. Whoa, that goes in last. Push on it. Push and wiggle. Oh, is it gonna go? It's gonna go. We're gonna need two hands. Cool. It's going. Hold on. It's a tight fit. Use Super Lube. Bohemia, New York. Yeah, now it's in. Wow, that was a hard one. Probably shouldn't really push on your tank like this either. You could probably dent it. But yeah, that's in there now. Plastic shit. Bought the cheapest part. Trash front generator. Now I gotta run a hose from there to there and put a fuel filter in it. So, like this video, pick it out. Just a flat blade, wiggle it. Yeah, like the video, subscribe. I'll link the part number, Rotary, in the description. It's cheaper than the Briggs part and other brands. It's probably the same thing. Yeah, looks like high quality. Don't know where it's made. Like China, like the Briggs part is. You know, it'll work. It was cheaper. It was cheaper than the Briggs part. It's like 10 bucks. Briggs part, the one like 17. And it has a filter on it or screen. But I'm gonna run an inline filter anyway. But it's just double filtering. It'll be alright. See if the thing even works. It should. Clean the carb. Got the fuel pump fixed. Use the air cleaner. Makes power, I know. It runs smooth. I don't know. We'll see. Some didn't want to spend money on it. I put a cool cap on it too with a gauge. Didn't have a cap.